All right, so today is December 31st, 2025, very last day of the year. And of course, there's so many things going through my mind. Now, one thing that I haven't had the opportunity to dedicate as much time as I would like to has been Bitcoin, as I have been aware of it for a number of years. And I need to make a change. So this right here is my promise to myself of how I plan on staying invested in Bitcoin and investing in Bitcoin from here on out until the end of my days. So it has come to my attention that it is becoming liquid gold, and I myself am not a gambling man. However, I am a speculative man. So since I don't indulge in buying lottery tickets and any other crazy shenanigans, I figured that maybe $1 a day into Bitcoin for the foreseeable future until my 60s or something, until I'm old. I buy just one single dollar of Bitcoin every single day. Like that, I'm avoiding all type of psychological effects. I am dollar cost averaging, and I set it and I forget it, as I have done that already as we speak with my platform Robinhood, which, by the way, if you guys want a link down below so you guys can get some extra credit yourself, I also get a little bit of a kickback. I will be leaving in the description a link for you to sign up, and we can both benefit off of it. But in short, I need to make sure that I am being financially smart and not just only thinking about stocks and money, because even though it is very important, I've come to realize that Bitcoin has equally become important, especially with the current administration that we have here in 2025, United States. In short, I do encourage everyone to have a little bit of Bitcoin, as there is really no reason for any of us not to have Bitcoin at all. You really could buy just a small fraction, even if it is just a little bit on a day-to-day base, and it could make a major difference later down the road. So Bitcoin has changed the way I think about money and the way that we interact with money, as I don't see it as an asset, but rather just the newest piece of technology that is very much well worth investigating and learning more about, which is what I've done these last couple of years, as I've started purchasing Bitcoin. Believe it or not, I started purchasing Bitcoin back in 2017, but because I didn't know enough, I sold off, and I could have had more than what I have now. But nonetheless, I'm just grateful that I've started at some point and not waited until later on in life. I've gone as far as investing as much as I possibly could in the stock market and with my 401k and everything else. I am currently 31, as I just turned 31 this past November, as I'm now approaching closer and closer to my mid-30s. So, at this point, I don't got much to lose. I know a dollar right now could go really, really far. Assuming that Bitcoin does hit a $1 million market cap, which if it already hit $100,000 and it's even surpassed that, chances are it's gonna hit 500,000. And if it could hit 500,000, it could definitely hit 1 million. So do yourself a favor and don't be an idiot. Throw whatever you can, even if it's just $1 a day for your retirement.